Hi, congratulations to you all on your degree success. You've done amazingly well in perhaps the toughest year ever to sit your final assessments, and we're really looking forward to celebrating with you properly next year.
You did it! You made it to the end of your degree. Congratulations. Class of 2020, wow, what a year. Even with a global pandemic, nothing stood in your way, and each of you should be so proud of all you've achieved during your time here at Bangor. I know I am. Sorry we can't celebrate with you as usual, but hopefully you're doing something really fun with your families to mark this big achievement. Well done.
Everyone, just wanted to wish you many congratulations on achieving your degrees and on your graduation. Well done. You really deserve your success. I wish you all the best. It's been a pleasure to know you. Take care. Bye.
Well, congratulations to you all. It's been really tough. You've seen it through. You've finished. You've qualified. Well done. And I hope that you will all stay in touch and let us know how you get on and go forth and have a wonderful life.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi gyd am lwyddo yn eich gradd, enwedig efo'r flwyddyn dwytha anodd yma da ni gyd wedi gael. Pob lwc I chi gyd am eich dyfodol a cofiwch cadw mewn cyswllt. Congratulations to each and every one of you for achieving and kind of attaining your degrees during the most difficult circumstances you could ever imagine. So again, hearty congratulations to each and every one of you and all the best for your future. Remember to keep in touch.
Rwy'n gwybod na dyma sut y gwnaethoch chi dychmygu graddio mynd, ond rydyn ni falch ohonoch chi a popeth rydych chi wedi gyflawni. Rydyn ni'n gwybod eich bod chi'n mynd I fynd allan i'r byd a gwneud pethau gwych. Llongyfarchiadau I chi gyd a cofiwch cadw mewn gysylltiad. I know this isn't how you imagined graduation going, but we're proud of you and all that you have accomplished. We know that you're going to go out into the world and do great things. Congratulations to you all and remember to keep in touch.